Have you ever done everything right at airport security, emptied your pockets, removed your belt, arrived early, yet somehow you're still the one getting pulled aside for extra screening? The surprising truth is that many travelers aren't delayed because they're breaking TSA rules. They're delayed because of what they're wearing. Certain shoes, jackets, jewelry, and everyday accessories can trigger body scanner alerts, lead to additional inspections, and slow you down at the checkpoint without you even realizing it. In today's video, we're revealing 10 of the worst things to wear through TSA security lines, and what experienced travelers wear instead to get through faster and with less hassle. If you fly even a few times a year, these simple tips could save you time, stress, and unnecessary delays on your next trip. If you want more travel tips like this, hit subscribe. 1. Metal hair accessories can slow you down. Most travelers focus on their pockets, shoes, and carry-on bags before security, but very few think about what's in their hair. Bobby pins, metal barrettes, decorative clips, and hair ties with metal pieces can attract attention from security scanners and trigger additional screening. The solution is simple. On travel days, switch to fabric scrunchies, elastic bands, or plastic clips to reduce the chance of delays. 2. Thick-soled shoes may require extra inspection. Comfortable shoes are essential for travel, but some footwear can create unnecessary delays. Many athletic shoes feature thick foam midsoles that may require additional inspection during security screening. If speed is your priority, lightweight slip-on shoes or sneakers with thinner soles are often the better option. They're easier to remove, easier to put back on, and generally create fewer issues at the checkpoint. 3. Shapewear and structured garments can create scanner alerts. This is one of the least discussed travel issues. Many forms of shapewear, compression garments, and structured support clothing contain reinforced sections that can appear unusual to security equipment. When scanners detect unexpected densities or patterns, agents may need to perform additional checks to verify the source. If comfort and efficiency are your priorities, consider traveling in softer, less structured garments and changing into shapewear after arriving at your destination. The same principle applies to many support garments and compression accessories. 4. Don't forget to declare braces and medical supports. Back braces, knee braces, wrist supports, and other medical devices are common among travelers. Because of their internal structures, they may attract additional attention during screening. A quick explanation before entering the scanner can often make the process smoother and less stressful. 5. Body piercings and magnetic therapy products. Body piercings and magnetic therapy accessories are another commonly overlooked category. Because they contain metallic components, they may create scanner alerts depending on their location and design. If possible, remove magnetic wraps before security and be prepared to mention any piercings that may not be immediately visible. 6. The underwire bra issue many travelers don't expect. For many women, underwire bras are part of everyday clothing. However, underwire components can occasionally trigger scanner alerts and lead to additional screening. Many experienced travelers choose sports bras or wireless alternatives on travel days. And if screening becomes uncomfortable, remember that you can request a private screening area. 7. Dress for both security and comfort. The outfit you choose also affects how comfortable you'll feel during hours of sitting, walking, waiting, and flying. Compression socks are one of the most underrated travel accessories available. They can help reduce swelling and fatigue during long flights, especially on journeys lasting several hours. Stretchy pants with elastic waistbands are another excellent choice. Avoid belts whenever possible. Even if security requirements vary, belts often become one more item you need to remove, track, and put back on. Tight jeans can become uncomfortable after hours of sitting, while restrictive clothing may feel even worse as your body adjusts to cabin pressure changes. Instead, prioritize breathable fabrics and flexible materials designed for movement. 8. Avoid wide-leg pants, rompers, and jumpsuits. Some fashionable travel outfits look fantastic in photos, but create practical problems throughout the day. Wide-leg pants can drag across airport floors and occasionally become inconvenient when navigating crowded spaces. Rompers and jumpsuits create an entirely different challenge. Airplane lavatories are tiny. Managing an entire one-piece outfit inside such a small space quickly becomes frustrating. Two-piece outfits offer far more flexibility and convenience while delivering a similar look. Have a favorite travel outfit that keeps you comfortable on long flights? If you've discovered a travel outfit that stays comfortable on long flights, drop it in the comments to help fellow travelers fly more comfortably. 9. Layering is essential. Airport temperatures change constantly. One moment you're standing outside in warm weather. The next you're sitting inside a cold terminal. Then you're boarding an aircraft where the cabin temperature feels completely different again. That's why layering remains one of the smartest travel strategies. A comfortable base layer combined with a lightweight outer layer gives you flexibility throughout the journey. Remember that jackets and sweaters may need to be removed during security screening, so make sure whatever you're wearing underneath is something you're comfortable wearing in public. Smart layering isn't just about warmth, it's about convenience. 10. Keep jewelry simple. Minimal jewelry usually creates the least hassle. Large necklaces, heavy bracelets, oversized earrings, and statement accessories may require extra attention during screening. Many seasoned travelers pack valuable jewelry and put it on after arriving at their destination. If you prefer wearing jewelry while traveling, keeping it lightweight and simple is often the easiest approach. 11. Glasses can be better than contacts. Cabin air is notoriously dry. For contact lens wearers, that dryness can quickly lead to irritation and discomfort, especially on longer flights. Many travelers find that switching to glasses for travel days makes the experience much more pleasant. No dry lenses, no extra contact solution, no discomfort while trying to rest during the flight. Sometimes the simplest option is the best one. 12. Don't forget sunscreen. Many people associate sunscreen with beaches and outdoor activities. However, travelers often underestimate their exposure during flights. Window seats can expose passengers to significant sunlight during daytime travel. Applying sunscreen before departure is a simple habit that provides additional protection, particularly on longer journeys. It's a small step that takes less than a minute, but can make a meaningful difference. 13. Avoid bulky and awkward travel clothing. Ponchos, oversized wraps, giant scarves, large hats, bulky jackets, and heavy outerwear can become surprisingly inconvenient during air travel. Instead, choose lightweight layers that can be removed easily and packed away without taking up excessive room. Comfortable travel clothing should work with you, not against you. 14. Skip knee-high boots and heavy footwear. Boots may look stylish, but airport security lines often tell a different story. They're harder to remove, harder to put back on, and can become uncomfortable if your feet swell during long flights. Slip-on sneakers, lightweight walking shoes, and comfortable loafers usually provide a much better travel experience. Your future self will thank you when you're standing in a long security line or rushing to a connecting gate. 15. Darker colors are your friend. White clothing looks great when everything goes perfectly. Unfortunately, travel days rarely go perfectly. Coffee spills happen, tray tables get messy, suitcases brush against clothing. Airport seating isn't always spotless. Darker colors tend to hide minor stains and wear much better throughout a long travel day. Navy, charcoal, black, and olive are all excellent options that remain stylish while being practical. 16. Use a secure bag. Your outfit isn't the only thing that matters. Open tote bags can allow small items to fall out during boarding, security screening, or turbulence. A zippered tote, travel backpack, or bag with secure compartments helps keep everything organized and protected. Less stress means a better travel experience overall. 17. The ideal airport outfit. If you want a simple formula for travel day success, here's a combination that checks nearly every box. Comfortable walking shoes, compression socks, loose, stretchy pants with an elastic waistband, a comfortable shirt with good coverage, a lightweight zip-up jacket with pockets, minimal jewelry, glasses if possible, and sunscreen before heading to the airport. This combination helps maximize comfort, minimize delays, and keeps you prepared for nearly every stage of your journey. The truth is, smart travel isn't about dressing for Instagram. It's about dressing for the reality of airports, security lines, crowded terminals, and long hours in the air. A few small wardrobe choices can make a surprisingly big difference in how smoothly your trip goes. If you found this video helpful, Let us know in the comments which travel tips surprised you the most. We'd love to hear your favorite airport hacks too. Don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who has a trip coming up, and subscribe for more practical travel tips and insider airport advice. Thanks for watching, safe travels, and we'll see you in the next video.